clear my throat. Okay, I just woke up. Okay, not really, but it's like my first time, you know, speaking, saying words, because like, you know, yeah. So, today, right now, I'm going to make breakfast, and the lighting is like, oh, okay, my skin low-key looks good, but I'm not gonna say that because when I start editing, sometimes I can like see pores, and we hope we don't see that this time. So, okay, yeah, we're gonna make breakfast today. So I hope you guys know today we're gonna make like a college cuisine. Yeah, this is the breakfast of all breakfasts, the breakfast of champions, the breakfast for kings and queens, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you like how I make fancy breakfast. We're gonna make like, you know, some really good stuff. Okay, we're not gonna like make like everything like from scratch or anything like that, but today we are going to have we're going to have fresh squeezed orange juice. Yes, because you know, you should always get your vitamin C in somehow if you don't eat oranges or anything all the time. But you know, if you have like a little thing with citrus or something, I consider like, you know, drinking some water behind that, because you know, you don't want to break out. Yeah, so like make sure like, you know, you're diluting. Well, you don't have to dilute it because then it's like, you know, you're just having orange water basically. But anyway, forget what I just said. But you know, if you're allergic, you know, substitute with something else. Yeah, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna make some eggs. So if you're like vegan or vegetarian, you know, substitute. Oh, I should do a vegan breakfast though too. It'd be so interesting. I kind of do have a vegan breakfast sometimes. I was gonna get some avocado at the store, but that didn't happen. Anyway, we're gonna stay on topic for the video because this video is gonna be like 5 to 8 minutes this time. And the sun isn't shining, so it's just actually, I was gonna record for the past few days, but that didn't happen. But anyway, we're gonna stay on topic. So, oh, we're gonna have fruit too, because I need to eat this fruit. So I didn't want it to go to waste. Okay, I'm just gonna leave you guys here and I'm gonna come back with the stuff. Oh, hello. Ooh, what's that stuff in the background? Okay, so we are back, everyone. And yeah, so what we have now is, we're gonna start with the orange juice because I forgot. I usually start with orange juice first because I like it cold. And I put the oranges in the refrigerator, so they're already kind of cold. Thought I saw a bug. Okay, and yeah, so this is what you guys need to press. Well, this is the setup right here. Okay, so we have a bag because you need to, like, you know, have somewhere to put like the orange peels and stuff. And so I have like a few oranges. I got 6 this time, but I usually use about 3, and I like to put in the wine glass sometimes because, you know, who doesn't want to be fancy sometimes? I said this is a breakfast for kings and queens. Now if you're not treating yourself like a king or a queen, then this is a problem, and now I'm here to fix it. So yeah, so the orange juice usually goes up like right here if I use 3 oranges. This is the thing that you need. This thing was like $3.99 or $4.99 at Michael's. Here's the name if you guys want to go find it. It's literally for like cocktails, but it's perfect for making orange juice. Yeah, it's amazing. And then also need your cutting board and your knife. The first thing that we're going to do now is you want to roll them out first. I don't really roll them out all the time, but like, you know, for video purposes, what I do is take the stickers off. Okay, and now we're going to like wash these off. Okay, this is really like unnecessary. I can just really wash it off with water, but you know, just in case, because you have to think about germs sometimes. And like I said, you just don't know. Since the knife is going to be dissecting the fruits. we actually made a lot of juice this time. I probably made a little too much actually. But first, like the pulp doesn't get in there. As long as you're like continuously like cleaning this part out, you should be good with pulp, you know. And it should just be mostly juice, but I like at least a little bit of pulp in mine. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator now, and we're gonna start making the bagels. Isn't it amazing? Yeah. Usually, sometimes I like to use country crock, like, is it butter or margarine? Some people say it's margarine. I swear it said margarine, but like whatever. Anyway, that stuff, the original flavor, that one is amazing. You don't have to put any salt or cheese in there if you use that, and it just makes the eggs just come out amazing. But I'm gonna show you guys, I call this like my Gen Z, the Gen Z version of making eggs, you know. Yeah, so we're gonna see that really fast. We're gonna use some oil, the extra virgin olive oil, organic of course. I'm gonna put just a tiny bit in here. Every great chef needs a wooden spoon. Like, what are you doing without your wooden spoon? I'm just joking, I'm not a chef really. Yeah. Oh, what is that? I call this a Gen Z way of cooking because I usually like pre-whisk them. Sometimes I also put them in the blender because you know, you just want to make sure everything's mixed in together. Yeah. So yeah. People think I'm weird for doing it this way. Let me know if how you do the eggs or whatever. But you know, when you were running late or something like that, because like this was like the high school routine as well. But sometimes I'll put it in a bowl and mix it up. But at the same time, who wants to do those extra dishes? Like, not I. Yeah, I just think it's like, yeah. So we put a little bit of salt in here because it's gonna taste like, you know, it's gonna give it a little flavor. And we're just using sea salt. Wait, hold up. One moment. Okay, just black pepper, organic, beautiful. I did it in Instacart last semester. No, it was like winter break. And I got some black pepper, and I accidentally ordered two, so I have like a regular one that's like super huge, and then this one. So like now I'm like good on pepper for like the next few years basically, because yeah, I don't really use too much. Now this looks great, guys. Like, you know, I don't know how your food is looking over there on the other side of the thing, but I hope it's good, you know. Remember, the energy, breakfast of kings and queens, and it's getting warm in here. Don't mind the glow, don't mind it. And as I was saying, we're gonna move on to those bagels. Oh, and the lighting is not good. The sun isn't shining like, oh, there's a plane, okay. It literally looks like I just did a glow oil or something, like, it's giving. We're gonna put the button down, and now we're gonna focus on the berries because we have to be extra, right? Yeah, make sure you're watching those eggs and like stirring them up. We're stirring in the background, so if you guys don't know, we can even like move it off of the stove for a bit. Okay. We can do a college purple plate or a glass plate. We'll probably do glass because these plates are amazing, guys. You guys should really get these if you're going off to college. Don't worry, we have videos coming out for you guys going to college. So if you guys, you know, are interested in seeing like what supplies you direly need, I will have that out soon. Yeah. think I should have put more oil in the pot. Honestly, this pot has been making it through since like freshman year, and this is like actually like my 3rd year of college. So yeah, it's time for new stuff. This one right here was only $1.99. When I say $1.99, it was like $1.99. This is the Target brand, and it's really good. They were actually out of the Philadelphia strawberry cream cheese there. This one, great replacement. If you see this and they're out of Target, this is your next best thing. Like honestly, who doesn't love $1.99? It was like $4 for the other one. But the Target by me is like super overpriced because it's like, it's a mini Target. But also at the same time, it's like, you know, everybody, like it's like on the main part of campus, so you know it's a little expensive for certain items. But anyway, I went to Walmart and I got blueberry cream cheese. So we're gonna have blueberry today. But you guys, this is amazing. I'm all out of this, so I hope you guys liked the video. So, in your breakfast too, remember, breakfast of champions, kings and queens. Remember, thank you for episode 1. Thank you for watching episode 1 of Cooking with Keva. We will be back for more cooking adventures. Hey, there's a bug. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. See you next time.